Title: Holiday Inn Resort Aruba Review. Is this beach resort worth your money? Let me tell you about Holiday Inn Resort Aruba, a property that's been making waves in the Caribbean since 1994. This beachfront resort sits right on the northern coast of Aruba, and after digging deep into guest reviews and hotel details, I've got the full scoop on what you can expect from your stay. The resort offers 5 distinct room categories, each designed to cater to different travel styles and budgets. Standard rooms clock in at a comfortable 377 square feet and come equipped with either a king bed or 2 doubles, making them perfect for couples or small families. These rooms feature modern amenities including a mini fridge, coffee maker, safe, flat-screen TV, and a private balcony where you can enjoy your morning coffee. The recent 2022 renovation brought smart TVs and USB charging stations, so you can stay connected without hunting for outlets. Ocean view rooms offer the same space and amenities but with direct sea views from your balcony, making them ideal for those Instagram-worthy sunrise shots. For families needing extra space, the family suites expand to 538 square feet and include a separate living area with a sofa bed and kitchenette, accommodating up to 6 guests comfortably. The executive suites take luxury up a notch with 646 square feet of space, featuring a separate living room, dining area, and upgraded bathroom with premium amenities. There's even a unique casino view room option for guests who want to be close to the action. All rooms maintain a bright, airy feel with neutral tones and modern Caribbean styling that feels fresh rather than dated. When it comes to dining, this resort doesn't mess around with variety. Café Del Mar serves as the main all-day dining venue, offering an international buffet that runs from 7 a.m. to 9 p.m. The breakfast spread includes everything from traditional American fare to Caribbean specialties, while lunch and dinner feature fresh seafood, pasta dishes, and an impressive dessert selection. They spice things up with themed nights, rotating between Caribbean and Italian cuisines to keep things interesting. For a more upscale experience, Casa Del Mar transforms into a fine dining establishment each evening from 6 to 10 p.m. This oceanfront restaurant specializes in Caribbean and Aruban fusion cuisine, serving grilled fish caught locally, traditional stews, and fresh seafood paired with signature cocktails. The smart casual dress code and reservation requirement signal that this is where you go for special occasions or romantic dinners. The pool bar keeps things casual from 10 a.m. to 6 p.m., serving up burgers, fresh salads, tropical cocktails, and smoothies right by the water. Happy hour brings DJ sets and a lively atmosphere perfect for afternoon socializing. The casino bar rounds out the options, staying open until 2 a.m. with signature cocktails, bar snacks, and regular live entertainment. The variety means you never have to leave the property to find good food, and the quality across all venues consistently earns praise from guests. The pool and beach facilities are where this resort really shines for families and water lovers. 2 distinct pools cater to different moods and age groups. The main pool measures an impressive 82 feet by 39 feet with depths ranging from 4 to 6 feet, featuring a popular swim-up bar where you can order drinks without leaving the water. A shallow area keeps little ones safe while parents relax nearby. The adults-only pool offers a quieter alternative at 49 feet by 26 feet, perfect for those seeking a more tranquil swimming experience. Both pools operate from 8 a.m. to 7 p.m. seasonally, with poolside waiter service ensuring you never have to interrupt your relaxation for refreshments. Cabanas are available for rent if you want extra privacy and shade. The beach access is what sets this property apart from city hotels. A 150-meter stretch of pristine white sand beach provides direct access to calm, clear waters perfect for swimming and snorkeling. Beach service includes complimentary lounge chairs, umbrellas, and towel service, so you don't need to haul equipment from your room. Water sports enthusiasts can rent paddleboards, kayaks, and jet skis right on the beach, while snorkeling gear lets you explore the colorful marine life just offshore. The beach bar keeps drinks and light snacks flowing, and shaded areas provide relief from the Caribbean sun when you need a break. Activity options at this resort cater to every energy level and interest. The fitness center operates from 6 a.m. to 10 p.m., equipped with modern treadmills, ellipticals, weight machines, and resistance equipment. Daily group classes include yoga and Zumba, with personal training sessions available for those wanting customized workouts. Beach activities run throughout the day, from volleyball tournaments to guided snorkeling excursions. The resort organizes weekly themed parties and live music performances, creating a vibrant atmosphere that keeps the energy high. Evening entertainment includes everything from Caribbean steel drum performances to DJ dance parties around the pool area. For those interested in exploring beyond the resort, organized excursions to local attractions are available through the concierge. The casino adds another dimension to the entertainment options, featuring modern gaming machines and regular tournaments. Water sports instruction is available for beginners, and equipment rental makes it easy to try new activities like windsurfing or deep-sea fishing charters that depart from nearby marinas. The spa and wellness facilities focus on relaxation and rejuvenation using local Caribbean influences. Treatment options include traditional massages, facials, body wraps, and nail services, all performed by trained therapists in a tranquil setting. Signature treatments like the Aruba Sun Kiss Massage and Caribbean Coconut Body Scrub incorporate local ingredients and techniques that reflect the island's natural beauty. The facility includes a sauna, steam room, and relaxation lounge where you can unwind before or after treatments. A couple's suite allows partners to enjoy treatments together, perfect for romantic getaways or anniversary celebrations. The spa operates from 9 a.m. to 7 p.m., and booking can be done online, at the front desk, or directly at the spa reception. Beyond individual treatments, the wellness program includes group yoga classes and meditation sessions, often held on the beach during sunrise or sunset for a truly memorable experience. The integration of fitness and wellness creates a holistic approach to vacation health, allowing guests to maintain their routines or try new wellness practices in a beautiful setting. This resort excels at keeping children entertained and parents relaxed with comprehensive family amenities. The Kids Club operates daily from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m., offering supervised activities including arts and crafts, games, and movie nights in a safe, fun environment. Trained staff members organize age-appropriate activities that let children make friends and try new experiences while parents enjoy some adult time. The main pool's shallow area and family-friendly design ensure kids can play safely while remaining visible to parents relaxing nearby. Beach games and treasure hunts keep older children engaged, while younger ones can build sandcastles or splash in the calm waters. Family suites provide the extra space needed for comfortable stays with children, including kitchenettes for preparing snacks or storing drinks and food. The resort's layout makes it easy to navigate with strollers or keep track of active children. Evening entertainment often includes family-friendly shows and activities that appeal to all ages. The casual dining options accommodate picky eaters with familiar foods like burgers and pasta, while the buffet format lets families eat at their own pace without rushing through formal dinner service. The resort's location in Newark puts you within easy reach of Aruba's top attractions and experiences. Eagle Beach, consistently ranked among the world's best beaches, sits just 2 kilometers away and offers even more pristine sand and crystal-clear waters for day trips. Arikoke National Park, located 15 kilometers from the resort, showcases Aruba's natural beauty with hiking trails, caves, and unique desert landscapes that contrast beautifully with the coastal areas. The capital city of Oranjestad is only 8 kilometers away, offering duty-free shopping, colorful Dutch colonial architecture, and local restaurants where you can sample authentic Aruban cuisine. The famous California Lighthouse, 10 kilometers north, provides panoramic views of the island and serves as a popular sunset viewing spot. Palm Beach, just 3 kilometers away, features additional resorts, restaurants, and shopping opportunities for those wanting to explore beyond their home base. The resort offers organized excursions to these attractions, making transportation simple for guests without rental cars. Local buses and taxis provide additional transportation options, and the concierge can arrange customized tours based on your interests, whether that's cultural sites, adventure activities, or culinary experiences. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more travel-related content. If you're not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our Best Hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.